Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's see, now that it's off, power and volume up. Now when I was letting go, it accepted the reboot option because it's so well designed. When you're letting go, it sometimes accepts it. So I'm gonna let go of the power key like right now, and as you can see, it did stay on it. So there we go. As you can see, we are now in the recovery mode, and that is how you boot into it. And to navigate through it, you need to use the volume keys to go up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So that being said, I'm gonna stick with the reboot option and press power key and reboot to system, which will take me back to Android. And there we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.